So the last but not the least, the topic which can manifold your dreams, the topic which is the need of an hour, the topic which can speak on this financial crisis, the topic which can make the dream of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam come true, the topic which is very much needed for the students community, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is something very different but very adventurous. Before getting into entrepreneurship, whenever I speak the word entrepreneurship, there are two persons who strike me. So before we get into entrepreneurship, let's have a small glimpse of two very successful entrepreneurs who have created a benchmark in the history. So starting with the world's youngest CEO, Mr. Suhash Gopinath. Mr. Suhash Gopinath is currently a 22 years old man who is owning an IT company which is an MNC which has branches in 11 countries. Mr. Suhash Gopinath has recently completed his BTech IT in an engineering college in Bangalore. Mr. Suhash Gopinath started his company when he was in 9th standard. Isn't it amazing? Just imagine a 9th standard boy starting a company. Just imagine how big would be his vision, how big would be his goal, how would be his attitude, how would be his communication skills, and what would have been the power of thinking big. Mr. Suhash Gopinath was not allowed to start a company in India because he was not 18 years old. But he was so much focused enough that through Yahoo Chat, he got a partner in United States and he was able to set up an enterprise at the age of 14, crowning himself as the world's youngest CEO. Suhash Gopinath was from a very poor background, getting a pocket money of 25 rupees a month was a background of Suhash Gopinath. 2007, his company has made a turnover of $150 million. I repeat, Suhash Gopinath, who is born in the year 1986, has made a turnover of rupees $150 million, which comes approximately 750 crores. He says entrepreneurship is an adventure which you will not understand unless and until you get into it. 750 crores a 22-year-old gentleman earns. This is what entrepreneurship is all about. A 22-year-old Suhash Gopinath today has approximately 400 employees scattered all over the globe. This is something very related to a successful entrepreneur at the age of 22. You know, when he entered the college, the day he was ragged by his seniors saying, "You need to give us a job." When he entered, he was having an enterprise which was approximately 4 years old, a 4-year-old company when he entered into his college life. This is an attitude of Suhash Gopinath. So what do you think now entrepreneurship would be? It can give you an endless and unimaginable success which you can never dream of. This is the power of magic of thinking big. Next comes the most successful entrepreneur, another youngster, MTV Youth Icon winner, Sharad Babu. Mr. Sharad Babu is an MTV Youth Icon winner 2008. Mr. Sharad Babu was brought up in the slums of Chennai. His mother, before 30 years or 25 odd years, used to earn rupees 1 a day. Rupees 1 a day his mother used to earn feeding 5 children. Mr. Sharad Babu studied in a government school and then to a matriculation school. Mr. Sharad Babu wore the same dress which he wore in the 2nd standard and then in the 3rd standard and then in the 4th standard. Mr. Sharad Babu got exceptionally good marks in his 12th and did his undergraduation in BITS Pilani. Mr. Sharad Babu, when came to know about Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, being the best college for management studies in India, got an admission by cracking the toughest exam of India, CAT, and getting a seat in Indian Institute of Management. Mr. Sharad Babu got an offer of approximately 8.5 lakhs a month studying at IIM Ahmedabad, but he rejected the offer, saying he wanted to set up his own enterprise and create a benchmark for entrepreneurship. Mr. Sharad Babu had just 2,000 rupees with him when he went into entrepreneurship. Mr. Sharad Babu started a Food King Catering Private Limited, inaugurated by the mentor of Infosys, Mr. Narayana Murthy, and today Mr. Sharad Babu earns 3 lakh rupees a day. An IIM graduate rejecting an offer of an MNC, starting an enterprise, and today Mr. Sharad Babu earns rupees 3 lakhs a day. This is an example of entrepreneurship. My dear friends, I would like to tell you that in this financial crisis, if really India need to be a superpower by 2020, this word entrepreneurship can be the only solution. Why is that when a student joins a college, looks for placements rather than giving placements to others? Why is that mindset which is incultivated in students, that they need a job rather than looking on to for an entrepreneurship? I would like to ask you a question. The amount of work you do for a corporate or an MNC, say 12 hours a day, if that 12 hours a day, if you put in your hard effort in your enterprise, no doubt you can set up another Reliance, you can set up another Infosys, or you can set up another Microsoft. Remember, entrepreneurship is such an adventurous journey. If really you go through it, my dear friends, there is no end to success. If you really want to make your dreams come true into a very, very big scale, if you really want to be really a role model, a person who has to be respected, entrepreneurship is the best initiative which you can do. It is the pride that you can give employment to people. In turn, you are the reason for n number of families' income, n number of lives. You get the blessings which you cannot get by becoming an employable engineer. So, and entrepreneurship is really a term which means, instead of aiming for getting a job, aiming of giving job to n number of people. If you give job to at least 4 people, my dear friends, you're giving life to at least 4 families, in turn at least 12 people. Remember, entrepreneurship is the thirst, is the need of an hour, is the need for our nation India, because India is a land of entrepreneurs. India is a place where we need entrepreneurs to come out of this unemployability problem. Remember, if you think only we can make this dream come true, why don't we think of becoming an entrepreneur and giving job to n number of people? Remember, my dear friends, if you have a proper planning and a proper strategy, no one no one can stop you from winning. I repeat, no one can stop you from winning. This is the power of entrepreneurship. This is the power of entrepreneurship. The only thing which you need is confidence, the risk-taking ability, and patience. Remember, I would like to tell you a story. There was a small 9-year boy who had designed few stickers, and he went to a top-class marketing executive. He said, I want to become an entrepreneur. Can you suggest me some strategy of selling it? The marketing executive replied, ask, keep on asking, because nobody can stop you from asking. The small boy went to a very ex-US president's house and got an appointment for him. On the appointed hour, he went there and he told that, sir, I want to become an entrepreneur. I have taken an initiative. So if it would be fine if you take the sticker. The sticker read, we need peace. Can you please give us peace, at least for youngsters like us? Was the wordings of the sticker. The ex-president of US got 5 stickers, each one for his family, and paid rupees $10 each. The boy was very happy because he had started selling the stickers. Then something struck the boy. The boy wrote a letter to the President of America stating that he wants to become an entrepreneur and he has taken an initiative by making a sticker and selling it. He had attached 10 stickers along with a letter stating that you need to send me $100 back. The President of US was kind enough to and he was humble enough to send him not only $100 but a big sheet of letter of appreciation. The boy was astonished, very much happy, goes to the marketing executives and shows him the letter. The marketing executive is shocked to see the letter of the President of United States. The marketing executive says, give me this letter, I will pay you $500. The intelligent boy says, today the president is alive and you are paying me $500. Tomorrow when he is dead, the value of the letter will be approximately $50,000. That day you come to me, I will sell it to you. The marketing executive replied, when you grow up, my dear friend, son, when you grow up, come to me, I'll hire you. Replied the boy, now, when I grow up, I will hire you. This is an attitude which has to be developed, my dear friends. This is an entrepreneurship attitude. Forget about jobs. Entrepreneurship is the only solution if you really want to become really big. I would like to put up an example. If you get a job in any of the IT sectors, you get 30,000 in the initial stages, and averagely you earn 50,000. Suppose you make 6 lakhs a year, it will take you 60 lakhs. For earning 60 lakhs, it will take you 10 years. To earn 6 crores, it will take you 100 years, my dear friends. To earn 6 crores, it will take you 100 years. But if you put the same effort in entrepreneurship, 6 crores will take you less than 5 years if you put the same amount of time. Remember, entrepreneurship, if calculatively planned, if you are able to take a risk, and if you are confident enough, and if you are smart enough, remember, there is no comparison with anything else in this world, because entrepreneurship is such a powerful tool. But remember, you need to be a smart person, you need to have a good people speaking skills, you need to have a good communication skills, you need to have a positive attitude, you need to understand all the failures and rectify and identify and work on it to become a really successful entrepreneur. And last but not the least important factor to become a successful entrepreneur is the power of thinking big. Remember, you need to think really big if you really want to become a very, very successful entrepreneur. So remember, if you really want to become something very, very big, or if you really want big money in your life, entrepreneurship is the only solution. Thank you. So here we are at the end of the sessions. 7 modules were discussed. So I feel that you would have a clear picture of what goal setting is all about, what may be the reasons why many people are not successful, what is exactly communication skills all about, what is time management, what is attitude, what is the magic of thinking big, and what entrepreneurship is all about. So if you really take these 7 modules and convert it into your real life, you can achieve anything. So it's my sincere request to understand the practicability of what is really needed, what is the need of an hour, and how can you convert your dreams into actions. So I would end this by a small quote from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which says, dream, dream, dream. Dream converts into thoughts. Thoughts convert into action. So remember, if you really implement this, nobody, I repeat, nobody in this earth can stop you from winning. I wish you all the very best for your success. Wish you a very, very successful and a bright future. May God bless you with all happiness and make all your dreams come true. Wish you, behalf of Guruji team, a successful future ahead. Thank you.